Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we have really special video for you. That is, I have gotten the opportunity to do a review of this amazing newly opened hotel. So when this video is released, this hotel is live. Right now there is no people here, so I'm gonna have a review of everything, see how it works, see so everything is alright before the first guests arrive, which is when I record this tomorrow. So I'm just gonna see so everything works as perfectly as possible. That means we're gonna try everything. So why not just start with the room itself that I'm in right now. But just so you know, we are gonna discuss prices, facilities, rooms, everything that you can think of. If I miss anything, comment down below. Let's start. So why not start from where I was standing? So this is window view, which is totally amazing. I have this really cool thing on my bed. Welcome to METADEE Elite, which is the hotel I'm visiting today. Here you have like a sofa area. You have some fruit and stuff. Really nice. Then we turn around, and from the bedside, don't mind my stuff down here, but look at that TV. Like that, I think that's the most huge TV I've seen in a hotel room ever. You do have in here the coffee section slash wardrobe. You can even close it off here like this, very easy. Then you come in, you have some slippers, boom, nice robes. Everyone get these, by the way, so depending on how many people you are in the room, you get the amount that you need, which is super amazing. So as you can see already, it's so amazingly nice hotel room for yourself. And I've checked basically them all, and they have this interior, basically all of them, which is amazing. So this is not like a special super room. This is the pool access room, but on the second floor, which is super cool thing that I've never seen before. Really cool concept that I will show you when I get to that part. But now let's continue with the bathroom area. So as you can see, this is then like the bathroom area. It is connected to the kitchen itself. So here you have this giant mirror. It's amazing. Like, what is this? I have no words. So cool to see something like this, guys. Here you have the toilet itself. Very nice. Here you can call someone if you actually need it while sitting on the toilet or missing someone. Like, hey, what's up? And here's the shower area. You can see also glass door to close the door. Perfect. Of course, you have this like waterfall type of shower, which is super cool. And you can even sit here in the bathroom and just enjoy life there. So if we come out to the balcony itself, like, there we go, just push it down. Then you just slide open the door, just like that. And this is the outside area of the hotel room. So there you can see on the other side how it looks. And then you just walk down this staircase to get access to the pool straight from your room. Okay, so that's everything that I know about the room right now. If you want to know the prices, they are between 2,000 and 5,000 Thai baht right now, and that's approximately 50 to 150 euro roughly. They do have discounted prices right now, so I couldn't really find exact prices of how it's gonna be later, but that's how it is right now. Super amazing. And as you know, I love going to the gym, so that's what I'm gonna go do now. So you can see that facility also, and they have absolutely all you need. So as I said, this gym is totally huge. So we have all these facilities right here, all the way down to this area. Then we have this cardio section also, where you can open up the drawers to actually see something. There is lockers right here. Okay, so in here in the bathroom area, where you can also change. For example, in here, turn the lights on, and you have a mirror also. So as you can see there, very nice area where you can work out. I'm gonna start my own workout. They do actually have a trainer here from Monday to Friday also, so for everyone that needs extra help or do you want to have a private trainer for your stay, it's super amazing to actually have that available. So that's a good note to have. So I'm gonna start now. So, as you can see, this gym works really good. We have music on, so you might not hear me as good as I want to, but this gym is amazing. Let's continue to work out a little bit. This is the view that you get when you are at the gym. It's just a fantastic view that you do not want to miss. Like, just look at it. Okay, so that was just a fantastic gym session up in the gym. Now I'm just gonna go change and we're gonna try out the pool and some menus by the pool. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so right now I'm just walking around the pool area. Actually, the pool here in this hotel actually stretches the whole way around. So wherever you go into the pool, you can swim to any place in the whole hotel from where you started, which is actually super cool to know that you can do that. So for example, now I'm on the end side of the hotel. I can still start swimming through these bridges. And that's how you then come through to the next part. I actually didn't know about this part, but as you can see, you have like a temple there, like a forest area. This must be like the most beautiful side of the hotel because you have these special rooms with the special red stairs coming down. And then you also have, if you go down here, you do have these sitting areas. It is super cool that it's under the water or into the water. Okay, so now we're here by the pool area, which is super nice. I have a drink already by my friends over there. I must say, this is a really good hotel. Right now the food is taking a little bit longer than I would like to actually, because the amount of people that is here is not many, and yeah, that's all, everything right now about that. As I said, the pool itself, like you can literally go from one side of the hotel to another side just by swimming around all the bridges that is here around the hotel, which is just super cool. I haven't seen anything like it before, that they have interconnecting pools like that. You don't even have to leave it. Okay, my food has arrived, so I'm gonna chase my food. See you guys. Okay, food has arrived and it's looking pretty amazing actually. Is it worth 30 minutes of waiting? I don't know yet. We'll see. Actually really good food. I think I'm gonna enjoy this really much. So guys, put it on the room and just enjoy. Okay, so that Caesar salad was super good actually, which it was, a Caesar salad. Next thing we're gonna talk about is actually the restaurant that I'm gonna eat at later on, and then about the different facilities that actually exist here on the hotel, and then just a little bit where it is, and then the review itself is over and I will just tell you what I think in overall score. As I told you before, this is my honest review. I have not gotten paid by this hotel or anything to do this review, so it's 100% from my own thoughts what I think. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna try and finish up this video a little bit. So what you need to know, in the facilities that we talked about, there is also spa and you can get massages and everything also, which is super nice. The dinner yesterday, very nice actually. Then I was at the breakfast right now, actually very good breakfast. You can choose everything. It's a buffet, so you can just choose anything you want in this huge buffet, which is amazing. I will try to get some pictures up so you can actually see how the buffet looks, but it's so cool design. It's like purple and everything is just in different sections like it should be. Super cool breakfast place actually. As you might know now, the place here is located in Kata beach in Phuket in Thailand. So if you want to check it out, I will link everything you need down below in the description so you can check out this hotel yourself and get your own point of view, and also might even book it. So that would be super cool to help me out if you book anything through my links. So see you guys next time and have a good week. Thank you. Bye.